Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine, doing well and enjoying the life, and welcome to my YouTube channel Luxuriant Fashions. Today viewers, I am going to back with the most beautiful, stylish, top trending, top elegant design ideas for new stylish short pixie bob haircuts, undercuts, side undercuts and shave undercut design ideas. Very stylish and very extremely design ideas and very attractive haircut ideas. Very stylish and very extremely design ideas and very attractive head shave undercut design ideas. Very cool and very attractive haircut ideas and your ultimate destination for chic, bold and trendy haircut ideas for different stylish ideas and different stylish looks for ladies and women's. New trending ideas 2025 ideas. I must suggest you to watch my videos and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information and updates and new design ideas and new trending and stylish haircut ideas, and give your feedback in the comment section. And friends, to support me by sharing my videos with your friends and your relatives. Thanks for watching my videos. Give it to my channel for more information and updates and new design ideas and new trending and stylish haircut ideas. All women and ladies can stylish hair cutting, hair color and stylish undercuts and shave undercut design ideas. So viewers, keep visiting my channel Luxuriant Fashion and stylish video and new design ideas and new top trending elegant designs.